King Zeus, and I'm back with another video. You feel me? I'm about to just show you how to get the halos in. Like this is something I was finna do, so I was just like, might as well put it on YouTube. You feel me? So if you got a challenger, you feel me, it gonna work. Like just pop this off. You feel me? Just rip it out tight. Hold on. You feel me? Sound like. Pop this one off. You feel me? Alright. So pretty much, you feel me, headlights right here. About this. Alright, this the fuse. I like 30% know what I'm doing. You feel me? I mess something up though. I'm just keep my head up. Stay strong. Alright, then here go the lights. I'ma just start by putting these in, or just send them over there. You feel me? Just shove it up in here. Hold on. Yeah, don't want to. Hold on. But that junk too dirty. Alright, so they gonna be a minute. Dang! Let's just start easy. This ain't easy. Hold on now. There we go. Got one in. I don't know about that one. Like, you feel me? I strapped the GoPro to me, like, I ain't had nobody to record me. You feel me? I gotta have my hands. Yes, Lord. Pressure. But look. Alright, this supposed to go in here some way. Alright, I got it up in there. No, I don't. Hold on. Dang, the tape got the... Alright, so they're gonna take me about 20 minutes. Dang, this ain't supposed to be the hard part. Alright. There it is. Yeah, I don't know about this. Like, it's supposed to go somewhere up in there. Hold on. Damn, my battery had died, man. But what I did since then, they one probably finna die too. What I did since then, if y'all ain't seen, like, I got them in, you feel me? Plugged it in my, you feel me? Got my negative over there, you feel me? And plugged it right there. Having a few. And I cleaned it with some alcohol wipes. And now I was doing these, using this. It's a, I guess it's a glue. Like, that would it smell like at least. Just help it stick better. Oh, I didn't mean to put it on my own. I'll get it off. Feel me? Just wipe it down with this. I doubt y'all can see that, but I'll just use this side. Alright. So yeah, I did that. I don't know if it's glue or not to get that up my mouth. Yeah, my hands feel weird. Alright, so yeah. Alright. Man, just bring it around. You feel me? This is the simple part. Alright. I'm probably using zip ties after this. These rubber pieces do not want to go through. Here we go. There we go, just go around it. Alright. I hope this battery don't die. This is the last battery I got. Just in case it do, you feel me? Just do that over here. You probably just zip tie this together, just leave it. Zip tie that. That's probably it. Let me get this. There you go, there. Hold on. Battery just died. Oh, I thought my battery died. Alright. So yeah. Do that again. This the last time. And just come over here. That's a little noticeable. I don't really. Yeah, go this way. Get the cord out the way. There it is. So yeah, this, you feel me? Pretty much finished now. My battery died again. You feel me? Cut on for a couple seconds. So yeah, just that's how it look. Red. Oh, I ain't got the remote. Hold on. Alright, Let's see. This is what the remote look like. Oh. Alright, then change it. See, that hard. That green too far. Yes, Lord. Look at that purple.